Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to study the 11th chapter of our English course book, Gravity, written by the poetess Santini Govind. First, we'll study about our poetess Santini Govind. Santini Govind was born in the year 1959 on 20th March. She has written more than 50 books for children. She has written many stories and poems, and most of the stories and poems written by her are currently used in academic books. Her books are translated into many Indian languages. She has written over 300 articles for various Indian and international children magazine. Okay, there is a spelling mistake. It would be N over here. Okay. Now let's move into the poem Gravity. Yesterday at school, I learned something new. It sounded so strange that I thought it must be untrue. My teacher taught us about gravity, an extraordinary force that holds the universe together and keeps the planet on course. So here the speaker of the poem is saying that yesterday in school he learned something new. He learned something new, a new thing. Okay, and after learning or listening to that thing, it was he thought the speaker was in a bit confused, and it was and he felt it was a very strange thing, and he felt that it cannot be true. What did he learn? He learned about gravity. His teacher taught him about gravity, and he learned that gravity is an extraordinary force, and he learned that the gravity holds the universe together and keeps the planet on course. तो बोलते हैं कि उसने पढ़ा कि ग्रेविटी के वजह से यूनिवर्स क्या है, ब्रह्मांड इकट्ठ जैसा है वैसा रहता है, और प्लैनेट्स ही इस ग्रेविटी की वजह से एक जगह पे एक ही मतलब सूरज के पास आजू बाजू रोटेट कर रेवोल्यूशन करते हैं. ठीक है. सपोज दिस इज़ आवर अर्थ. ओके, we know this is our earth, this is our sun, then we have Mercury, Venus, then we have our earth. Okay, so we stay in the outer surface of the earth. हम लोग बाहरी सरफेस में रहते हैं. तो इवन दो वी स्टे इन द आउटर सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ, सो वी शुड हैव फ्लोन टूवर्ड्स द स्काई. ठीक है ना. हम लोग को बाहरी सरफेस में अगर ग्रेविटी नहीं होती, व्हाट वुड हैपन दैट वी शुड हैव फ्लोन टुवर्ड्स द स्काई. बट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटी वी आर स्टिक टू द सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ, एंड वी आर नॉट फ्लाइंग टुवर्ड्स द स्काई. Everybody knows what is gravity, isn't it? Which is a very basic concept. Gravity, teacher said, keeps things in their proper place. It keeps people, building, air and water from floating into space. Okay. What did the teacher said the child, the speaker? That because of gravity all the things are in their proper place. Suppose this is our earth. Okay, and suppose we are standing over here. ओके, वी स्टे ऑन द आउटर सरफेस ऑफ द अर्थ, इजंट इट. और अगर कैसे पॉसिबल है, इधर रहते हैं लोग, अलग अलग दिशाओं में रहते हैं, अलग अलग पार्ट्स में रहते हैं अर्थ के. ठीक है ना. तो अगर ग्रेविटी नहीं होती तो सारे लोग, सारी चीज़ें जो भी इस दुनिया में बनी है, सारे आसमान की तरफ उड़ जाते. ग्रेविटी के वजह से क्या है, ज़मीन से जुड़े हुए हैं. ठीक है. It keeps people, building, air and water from floating in space. Because of gravity, people, building, air and water is prevented from floating in space. When you throw a ball up into the air, gravity makes it fall to the ground. Gravity is nature's invisible, most dominant force, work without a sound. Okay. So whenever we throw a ball in the air, it is because of the gravity that the ball falls back to the ground. If there wouldn't have been any gravity, what would happen? That the ball have flown towards the sky. But as there is gravity, so the ball falls back to the ground. Gravity is the nature's invisible force, and it is the most powerful force, and it works without making any sound. After I learnt about gravity, I was filled with great wonder. The amazing things that gravity did really made me ponder. Okay. So when the speaker of this poem learnt about gravity, he was filled with great wonder. He was surprised, amazed after learning about gravity. And the amazing things which were done, which took place because of gravity, made him really ponder. Ponder means to have a serious thinking about something. To think in a serious manner or very carefully about something. Okay, it means ponder. It is gravity that makes food from trees fall to the ground instead of rolling into the sky, never to be found. Okay, so we know there are fruit trees. Okay, so because of gravity what happened, the fruit, when the ripened fruits fall from the trees, it falls to the ground. ठीक है. जब भी फल जो गिरता है पेड़ों से, वो कहाँ गिरता है, ज़मीन पे, है ना. अगर ग्रेविटी नहीं होती तो क्या हो जाती, वो आसमान की तरफ चला जाता और फिर मिलता ही नहीं. Without gravity, my bath water would levitate and glide away. The moon orbits around the earth. Okay. So if there would have not have been any gravity, so speaker is saying that if there would not have been any gravity, जो जिस पानी से वो नहाता है वो क्या होता है, वो पानी भी क्या हो जाता है, आसमान की तरफ उड़ जाता है. And because of gravity only the moon orbits around the earth. A moon orbits around the earth because of its gravity, because of gravity's power. Okay. Gravity grabs rocks from passing comet to bring a meteor shower. Okay. तो जब भी कोई comet passes through the earth, and so what does, because of gravity attracts some pieces of rock through this comet, and because of whenever a comet passes through near the earth, beside the earth, what does, because of gravity some part of that comet is attracted towards the earth, and we have a meteor shower in the earth. I am glad I know so much about gravity, but now I am worried too. If the force of gravity vanishes one day, what will I do? So the speaker is saying that I am very much happy as I know so much about gravity, but also I am worried that if someday the gravity vanishes, what will I do? Okay, what will the speaker do if someday gravity disappears? I am terrified that I will soar into the air and float into the space. Okay, he is saying that I am very much afraid that if someday gravity disappears, that I will fly higher in the air and start flying in the space and land on another star in a scary cold dark place. Okay, और मुझे डर लग रहा है कि अगर किसी दिन ग्रेविटी गायब हो जाती है तो मैं आसमान में उड़ने लगूंगा और किसी दूसरे स्टार में जाके किसी अंधेरी दुनिया में जाके बस जाऊंगा. ठीक है, दैट्स व्हाई ही वाज टेरिफाइड. आई आस्क्ड मामा about this, but she just laughed and said, no, that's never going to happen, so don't you worry so. So the speaker was really worried about it, and he said this, that's why he asked his mother that, Mama, will this happen, that if it is it possible that someday gravity would disappear? So to which his mother replied that no, it is not possible and you need not worry about it. But I am still not fully convinced and hope that Mama is right. If she is not, I can't bear to think of my plight. Okay. But still the speaker is not convinced by the words of his mother, and he is just hoping that Mama should be right, because if she is not right, then he is afraid of to think about the plight. He is very much afraid to think of the dangerous situation he will be in if the gravity disappears. So students, I hope you all are able to understand this poem. Thank you. Have a nice day.